Hello everyone, welcome to Rashel's classroom. Today we are solve a interesting math question, which is x times x times x times x over x plus x plus x plus x is equal to 16. X is equal to what? How to solve this interesting math question? So first of all, you can see this exponent is 1, this exponent is 1, this is 1, this is 1. So it will be x to the power 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, because of that base is same, over this is x plus x plus x plus x. It will be 4x is equal to 16. Now this is x to the power 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, this is 4, over this is 4x is equal to 16. Now you can see easily here x to the power 4, but this exponent is 1, so it will be -1 according to exponential formula, over this 4 is equal to 16. Then you can see easily here x to the power 3 over 4 is equal to 16 over 1. Then if I do multiplication this and this, it will be x to the power 3, and 4 times 16, it will be 64. Then if I move on this 64 in this side, it will be negative x to the power 3 minus 64 is equal to 0. Now here x to the power 3 minus 64, it will be 4 to the power 3 is equal to 0. Then you know that a cube minus b cube, which is a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. So according to this formula, you can see easily this expression, it will be x minus 4 times x square plus 4 times x, it will be 4x plus 4 square, which is 16 is equal to 0. So we are find out two cases. Our first case, which is x minus 4 is equal to 0, and you can see easily here is x is equal to 4. This is our real solution in this math Olympiad question. So our other equation, it will be x to the power 2 plus 4x plus 16 is equal to 0. Then it is a nice quadratic equation. You can see easily here is a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4, and c is equal to 16. Then here x, it will be minus b plus minus square root v square minus 4ac over 2a. Then here minus b is 4 plus minus square root b square, 4 square minus 4ac, 4 times a is 1, c is 16 over 2a is 1. Then here x is equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root 4 square, it will be 16, minus 4 times 16, it will be 64 over 2 times 1, it will be 2. Then here minus 4 plus minus square root minus 48 over 2. 64 minus 16, it will be negative 48, minus 4 plus or minus square root, it will be 16 times 3 times minus 1 over 2. 16 times 3, it will be 48. Then x, which is minus 4 plus minus square root 16 square root 3 square root negative 1 over 2. I solved this question step by step. Then here minus 4 plus minus 4 square root 3, then square root negative 1, it will be I. This is a complex number, imaginary part, over 2. Then this negative 4 divided 2, it will be minus 2, plus or minus 4 divided 2, it will be 2. Then here is square root 3i. So our final answer, x is equal to minus 2 plus minus 2 root over 3i. So our final answer here, x1 it will be 4, and x2 it will be minus 2 plus square root 3i 2 square root 3i, then x3 it will be minus 2 square root 3i. This is our final answer in this viral maths olympiad question. Thank you all. If you enjoyed this maths problem, please subscribe my channel for other interesting video. Goodbye, take care everyone, have a good day.